Hello students, today we are going to start the next chapter of trigonometry, that is the multiple angles. So let's see the formulas. What is the meaning of multiple angle? Multiple angle means let A be any angle, then the multiple angle will be what? 2A, 3A. So 2A and 3A are called the multiple angles of A. So let's see the formula. Sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A cos A. Cos 2A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. This formula can be derived from compound angle. Suppose you have the formula of sin A plus B. In the place of B, you put A, it will become sin A plus A, and you can derive all this formula from the compound angle formula. So cos square A minus sin square A. We have cos A plus B equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. In that formula, in place of B, you put A, you will get this formula. Now, this sin square A, you write 1 minus cos square A, you will get this formula. And in this cos square A, you write 1 minus sin square A, you will get this formula. So overall, there are three formulas. Cos 2A equal to cos square A minus sin square A, 2 cos square A minus 1, and 1 minus 2 sin square A. Now come to tan 2A. Tan 2A is what? 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. Now these are the formulas of 2A. Now let's come to the formula of 3A. Cos 3A is what? 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. Sin 3A, 3 sin A minus 4. Sorry, you can prove this. Suppose cos 3A, you write cos A plus 2A. Then with the help of compound angle and the formula of cos 2A, sin 2A, we can derive this formula of cos sin 3A or cos 3A. And similarly, tan 3A is 3 tan A minus tan cube A by 1 minus 3 tan square A. Okay, now let's come to the sums. Sin 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta. Okay, this is the question. Sin 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to tan theta. We have to prove this. So sin 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta. Now let us write the formula. Sin 2 theta is what? 2 sin theta cos theta. And cos 2 theta, we have chosen this formula to cut the 1. So finally what we are getting? 2 sin theta cos theta by 2 cos square theta. This will give tan theta. Second sum. 1 plus cos 2 theta plus sin 2 theta, 1 minus cos 2 theta plus sin 2 theta. Now, this cos 2 theta, you write 2 cos square theta minus 1, and this cos 2 theta, you write 1 minus 2 sin square theta, just to cancel the 1. And we have this as it is. So after all, what we are getting? 2 cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta by this. So on cancelling this 2 and taking cos theta sin theta common, so we will get the cot theta. Okay, now let's come to this. Prove that cos square A plus cos square 120 plus A plus cos square 120 minus A is equal to 3 by 2. So see, we are changing the formula of cos 2A. So from there we are getting the formula of cos square A. So cos square is what? 1 plus cos 2A by 2. So in place of cos square A, what we will write? 1 plus cos 2A by 2. So LHS 1 plus cos 2A by 2. 1 plus cos 2 120 minus A by 2. 1 plus cos 2 120 plus A by 2. Okay, same formula. In place of cos square A, we are writing this. Now take 1 by 2 common. So 1 plus 1 plus 1. This will give 3. Cos 2A, you multiply this, you will get cos 240 minus 2A. Cos 240 plus 2A. So this is what? Cos 2A. Now apply the compound angle formula. Cos 2A, cos 240 cos 2A plus sin 240 sin 2A. And here also you apply the same formula. Cos 240 cos 2A minus sin 240 sin 2A. So this part will cancel. Finally we are getting 3 plus cos 2A plus 2 cos 240 2A. So in place of 240, now we have to find the value of cos 240. So we are writing here 2 cos 180 plus 60. That is minus half. So this cos 2A and cos 2A will cancel. Finally we will get 3 by 2. Okay. So this way we can do the some more sums I am sending. So now let's come to this. Question number 4. Prove that 2 cosec 4A plus cot 4A is equal to cot A minus tan A. Now what is cosec 4A? 1 by sin 4A. And cot 4A, cos 4A by sin 4A. So what we are getting? 1 plus cos 4A by sin 4A. Now see, keep in mind 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta. So here this is the theta is what? Theta is 2a, because 4a is what? 2 into 2a. So what we will get? 2 cos square 2a, and this also you break by the applying formula of sin 2a. So you will get 2 sin 2a cos 2a. Okay. So after that we will get what? Finally what we are getting? Cos 2a by sin 2a. Okay, cos 2a by sin 2a. Now in place of cos 2a, you write cos square a minus sin square a. And in the place of sin 2a, you write the formula. Now divide cos square a by sin a cos a, sin square a by sin a cos a. So you are getting cot a minus tan a. And one more sum. Prove that sec x is equal to this. Now see, RHS. This is the RHS. So we are taking 2 common and we are getting 1 plus cos 4x. Again we are applying the same formula I told before. 1 plus cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x. So here I am getting what? 2 cos square x. So this whole thing is becoming, after taking the square root, we will get 2 cos 2x. Again you take 2 common, you will get 2 cos square x. So this will become the square root and we will get sec x. Okay. So some sums I am done, and you please practice similar sums from the book. Okay students, have a nice day.